Hello viewers, do you want to save up to 1500 rupees from an electric fan in a year? Then bring energy efficient 5-star rated BLDC fan from Atomberg. This is Atomberg's 2-in-1 Efficio Plus model. Means this stand fan can be used as pedestal fan as well as table fan. You can see here. And this fan can be operated by a remote and it works from up to 20 foot remotely. And most interestingly, it only draws 32 watt of power at the highest boost mode. In this video, I have covered unboxing, installation of the fan and some interesting feature analysis of the fan. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This is Atomberg's pedestal fan, which also can be used as table fan, Efficio Plus model of 400mm. Written easy to clean, extra durable and 2-in-1 use, dual use. And most interestingly, you will get 2 years on-site warranty. This is popular and leading brand in BLDC technology. This side of the box pack also some highlighted features are written: smart remote, super efficient BLDC motor, double ball bearing and separate motor for swing, and 2 years warranty already I have told, that is on site. Now let's open the box package. First of all, we will get one base of the fan of white color. Next, the fan front cover. This is the main component of the fan, which contains the motor with long upright, and this is the long upright. This is a small upright, and this is the remote control and some documentation which carries 2 years on-site warranty. Now let's talk about the on-site warranty. What is on-site warranty? Means if any problem you face with the fan, then you have to call the customer care. One call, that's all. Means your all problem will be resolved sitting at home. Means you don't have to visit the service center for repairing it. The technician will come, visit to your home and repair it. That's it. That is known as on-site warranty. Now about the hassle-free installation of the fan. Company claims that it is very easy to assemble and deassemble the fan. When you want to clean the fan, you can deassemble it very easily. You can see here, this is the basement and I am tightening the upright with the basement. Now we are going to attach the back cover of the fan with the motor. You can see here. Now you have to rotate this screw-like thing for tightening. Then let's attach the fan blade. You can see here. Then tightening it by a plastic screw. It is easy. It is written in which direction you have to rotate. Now tightening the screw, then put the second part what already I am making with the previous part like that. Then tighten the screw. Done, completed. 100% work we have done for the making pedestal fan. For making table fan, I have shown later part of the video. Now compare side by side the pedestal fan as well as the table fan. Now I will show you how it can be operated by remote. You can see here now this is the mode 1, second mode, speed mode, second speed mode, that can be operated by this. Then third speed mode. Please take a note, at the left below corner of the video in inset it is written the fan only consumes in speed 1 3 watt, 2 7 watt, speed 3 12 watt, speed 4 18 watt, speed 5 28 watt only, and in the highest speed, that is in boost mode, it only consumes 32 watt, whereas normal conventional fan consumes at highest speed, that is 70 to 75 watt, but Atomberg consumes only 32 watt. Now we will talk about the swing of the fan, that is it will rotate according to its vertical axis sidewise, and company says that a separate motor has been used for that, and that's why you will see a smooth operation at the swing mode. Now let's talk about the another feature of this fan, that is timer mode. If you activate the timer mode, then fan will automatically switch off after a predefined time. Preset times are 1 hour, 2 hour, up to 9 hours. Means if you set 3, after 3 hours, it will automatically switch off. This fan also can be operated manually by this inbuilt switch, which is given on the back side of the fan. So there will be no headache if you lose your remote for a few minutes or few hours, then it can be operated by this inbuilt switch. Fan face can also be tilted according to your wish. You can see here.
Each and every tilting position will be confirmed by a click sound. Now downward. Actually we have almost reached at the end of the video, but one thing I have forgotten, that is how do you convert the pedestal fan to table fan. For that you have to follow this process. Now pedestal fan has been converted to small table fan. So in a nutshell we can say you can go for it. It is energy efficient 5-star rated BLDC fan, and also it can be operated by remote. This has also dual mode. Almost all features has been given to this fan, and product is with 2 years on-site warranty. Thank you.